Hi guys, this is an unboxing video of Darwin FPV Cine Ape 2.0. Full disclaimer, I was not sent this drone. I bought this drone with my own money, so this is my own views and they have not seen this video.
Right guys, okay, Darwin FPV Cine Ape 2.0 unboxing. Let's have a look here. Okay, there you go. Alright, gotta apologize, gotta do one hand here. Alright, luckily we got a sharp knife. Let's see what we get in the box. Okay, there's looks like a battery strap. No, it's foam, some cable ties, some extra screws, and props, 2 sets of props. Oh yeah, I ordered one extra set, I remember. And there's the little drone itself. In this box, oh yes, batteries. I ordered 500 milliamp 11.1 volt batteries. There we go. 110C. There's the other battery. There's the drone. It's tiny. Right, okay, it's got no camera in it because I'm gonna fit my Walksnail, and of course some stickers, and of course QR code. Move, nobody sends manuals anymore. There's the little drone. It's very light. And we'll fit everything, and I'll do a flight video soon. Alright, here's the little drone. Walksnail installed, the Walksnail HD Nano. That's how the battery mounts at the bottom. Cable's a little bit long, standard at the factory. I'll make that shorter. Of course, comes with GPS. Sorry. Walksnail fits. It's designed for the DJI 03 Air, but it does fit. It's slightly loose in there, but don't think it'll fall out. But I will put a cable tie. Overall, the drone looks alright. Board looks fine. You got to strip the whole drone basically to get the board out to solder the wires on for this VTX. The board comes standard with the plug that'll plug straight into the 03 Air unit. I did test hover it here in my apartment. Overall, I'm impressed. We'll do a proper flight and post that soon.